Hello. Today we're diving into the power of user attributes. User attributes have two main benefits. First, if you're building a form to collect leads, you can use attributes to securely capture and transfer that data directly to your CRM system. Second, and perhaps most impressive, is personalization. If a user is interacting with the chatbot for the first time, you'll need to ask for basic details like their name and email. But next time they return, the chatbot can leverage these stored attributes to remember those things and greet the user personally using the name they provided initially. Let's jump into the demo and see how to set this up. This is a natural pause point. Keep the silence. My chatbot configuration is complete. Time to test the attribute persistence. I will complete the first time run here, inputting my details. That's the first interaction done. Now, let me refresh the page and start a new session. This time the bot should remember me. Yes, as you can see, the personalized greeting shows exactly how user attributes work to remember returning users. We could easily extend this flow to immediately send this captured data to a CRM system, completing the lead generation use case. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.